So my kid wanted a spinning wheel, so we made one. And if you're like me, about 5 days ago, I didn't know what a spinning wheel was. So I looked it up and I found some pictures. And this is how we made it. I'll show you guys the backside. We took 2 records, we glued them together, just used canvas paper, and then you spin it, nuts and bolts. Real simple concept. Got a little trigger thing here that makes noise, and you can pick a color and it spins. That's it. So if you like this and you want to make one for your kid, and you have no clue, you can copy this design. Real simple. If you took wood shop, you can do this. And that's about it.